Hey, what's up? My name is Nick Fancher. I am a Columbus-based photographer that specializes in creating in-camera effects. I've been teaching workshops since 2011, and specifically I've been teaching the Creative Portrait Workshop since 2020. This workshop is a 2-day workshop that has been capped at 5 students where we really dive in deep and do a lot of hands-on learning so that each student can kind of make the technique their own. I am having one final workshop, September 13th and 14th, because I have to sadly close up the studio. So this time I'm opening it up to 10 spots so that the price can be cut in half and that I want more people to be able to attend. If you've attended before and want to attend again, each workshop, as you know, is a little bit different because it implements techniques that I've been doing recently. I cut together a quick little reel showing some of the highlights of the last 5 years of the Creative Portrait Workshop, and just to give you a taste of what we have covered. So here you go.